Alright, YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Johnny at Blacktop Performance. We are going to be pulling out this gas tank on the 79 and installing a brand spanking new gas tank. I believe my gas tank is full of rust from sitting for 16 years, although it looks pretty good on the outside. I keep getting carburetor flooding issues where trash is getting past the fuel filter. I have, you can actually see the fuel filter back there. I got one in line there and one at the carburetor itself. But how to pull out a 79 fuel tank. I can get some light here for y'all. You see right here, I got two lines that I'll be having to disconnect there. And I have some spider webs here, but don't pay them any mind. I have a ground wire right there that goes on top of the sending unit. Right there we have a 9/16 nut holding this one strap on. Same thing on the other side, holding that strap. So basically you have two straps that mount up here and bolt there and there, and then there's two bolts on the back of it, but I don't believe I'll have to be taking them off. But just in case I do, I'll show you right there. Here we go, if it can focus. Anyway, they're like a 1/2 inch, maybe a 7/16. So 4 bolts all together if I wanted to take the two back straps off, but I believe that I'll be able to just take the two front ones off. I know it's got a little bit of gas in it. I'm thinking 3 to 5 gallons maybe in there. Then we're gonna have to be discarding old bad gas. So there is that. So there's going to be a little bit of weight to it. So I'm going to use a jack to support it. And we should be in business. So basically this car sat from, I don't know, 16 or 17 years, I'm being told. I drained all the fuel that was in it the best I could. I think I got it all but maybe a gallon. After that, I put new fresh gas in it. We rebuilt the carburetor, and she started up and was running good after I'd done all the work to the engine. You know, I had to put like a timing chain on it, and new plugs, new wires, new blah, 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 bunch of new stuff. If you watch some of my other videos, you can catch up. But we got it running, and it ran good for like, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 starts. We never ran it long, you know, 2 minutes here, 3 or 4 minutes there, and it ran pretty good. But then it started, let's see if I can do something with this light. But then it started flooding the carburetor out. It started flooding on me, spitting and sputtering and dying after, 20, 30 seconds. So I put a new fuel filter and all that stuff on there to try to help catch any gas. The gas tank looks in good shape, and the whole car was in pretty good shape. So I was thinking, it wasn't too bad a shape. Maybe we can get by with just draining the gas tank with the old bad gas that was in it and put new fresh. And it did work for a little while, but then signs started showing up to where maybe, because when I did rebuild the carburetor, it did have a bunch of junk in it. Had some trash and debris and whatnot. So I felt like, okay, maybe it does have more rust in it than I initially thought. This hose is pretty jacked up. I got it slipped back a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it with a razor blade because she is 100 years old, cracked, not in good shape whatsoever. Alright, now get a little rag for this fuel that's dripping out. Bear with me. I'm on my creeper, maneuvering it around. Get y'all a little better light here. Ground strap is right there. That's our little ground strap, 7mm. Don't know why, but that's what it is. So we're gonna yank that off real quick, and then you can see the 9/16 bolt right there for one strap. The other strap bolt is over there. So we'll yank those two straps off, set the jack up. Kind of hard to hold a light, phone, and a ratchet. Maybe this will help a little. We're gonna clean underneath this bolt too and get it down the middle so we got a good ground for the sending unit. Alright, ground strap is off. Now we can continue on with the fuel tank straps. Try to put the light where y'all can actually see it. There, maybe that'll work. Alright, that strap's loose. Might not be able to see this other side so good, but same scenario, 9/16. Of course, it's going to be a little tighter and bite me some. This has ever been taken down, original gas tank. So it's been there since 1979. I guess I would be a little rusted up too. Alright, we're making some progress. I'll go ahead and show y'all. This one's almost out. This bolt almost out all the way. Got the other one about the same. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and clip it here. Strap's already coming loose. But it's gonna definitely take two hands to remove this, kind of hold the gas tank and make sure she doesn't fall off the jack, because I know there's 3 to 5 gallons of gas in here. So it's gonna have a little weight. Plus I got one more little connector on top of the fuel sending unit I'm gonna have to disconnect. So I'll bring y'all back when I can. Stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. I dropped the two straps. As you can see, she's almost out. Figured I'd bring y'all in here for that. That's the wire to the ground. This wire plugs, it just pops right on top of the fuel sending unit. I'll take you under here and show you that. For those of you that have never pulled one, your fuel sending unit's right up here on top of the gas tank, and that wire plugs in right there to the back side. I'll show you once I get it out a little better. But it looks like it's all free in here now. So I'm gonna go ahead. We gotta feed. There's a fuel filler neck, and it goes up to behind the license plate. So we gotta feed that out of there, and then she'll be home free. So I figured I'd bring y'all in to watch that portion. Basically all I gotta do is drop this jack, try to sit y'all here where you can see a little something something. It does have a little fuel, but not as much as I was thinking. I don't think it does. Anyway, we almost got it turned around. So there we go. Now she's out and home free. This plug here just pops on right to there. Oh, look at that. What used to be a build sheet was right here. This is what's left of it. Unfortunately, it's pretty much gone, ate up. That sucks. I was hoping there was going to be a good fuel build sheet here because I do not have a build sheet for it. I'll see what I can do about saving this one, but not much left to it. So we have the gas tank out. I'm going to be buying a new fuel sending unit. So we're going to remove this. And single line. This does not have a return line in it. This is a vent port that goes to the it goes basically around to the driver's side and goes all the way up to the little charcoal canister. This is our sending fuel line, goes to the fuel pump. So simple setup. So let's go ahead and yank this out the rest of the way. We're going to probably be removing all these lines and perhaps using them on the next one. See what I can do about this. See if I can get some information off of this. And get ready to slap the new one in it. So I'm going to end it right here. Simple, 2 straps, ground wire, 1 sending unit wire, and gas tanks out. So that's all there is to it, boys. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be giving a video on installing the new one, hooking it up, getting it all ready, prepped, putting it in, and we'll go from there. So y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. Okay, the bottom of the tank ain't as bad as I was expecting it to be. Not a lot of rust. The gas itself. Is that Mountain Dew? Somebody been pouring Mountain Dew in my car. Bring y'all back, show y'all that portion of it. I'm going to be ordering this sending unit today or tomorrow. Get that in. Grab my new tank. I gotta do something with that Mountain Dew that's off up in there. Delete that. And get that going. So anyway, just wanted to end the video with that, showing that we've got that portion done. So we can start prepping for the new tank. Get that line connected up on there. Get a new sending unit. I'll bring y'all back for that when I go to put all that onto the new tank. I tried to check out that build sheet. Can't really read nothing on it. I mean, I got a few codes off of it, and I'll see what that leads to. But unfortunately, it's chewed up. Most of it's missing, and won't be able to salvage much. I'm gonna try, but it ain't looking good. So anyway, we'll be back when I go to prep the new tank for install, and we'll catch you then. So y'all have a good one. Later, guys.